City of Sydney Council member. My proposal is a 12-month reusable takeaway packaging program for security. The aim is to reduce visible takeaway packaging litter before it reaches the stormwater zones and Sydney Harbour. The program begins with local evidence, not assumption, about which stores create most litter. The litter pathway is short. In New South Wales phase, no plastic made up 74% of the litter items in 2024 to 25, while the takeaway and the beverage item were the largest category at 24% of the litter density. At Security, Sydney Water identified the tank drain as a major CBD stormwater drains connected to the Sydney Harbour. These are not security only counts, but they show why takeaway packaging near zones deserve attention. National data shows the broader packaging program, but cannot identify which security outlet should participate. Council should first count the local letter, identify the highest count during zones, and recruit the nearest outlets. The same 20-meter area should be measured before, during, and after the program. This graphic shows that Australian plastic waste is expected to increase. However, it provides national context only. Local letter count must guide the local decision. The call to action is to approve a 12-month reusable takeaway packaging program. 10 outlets would be selected only after baseline litter check identify where takeaway packaging litter is concentrated. Monthly audit with a track visible litter, return rates, and cost per item avoided. A 20% reduction should be treated as a local decision for not a guarantee outcome. After 12 months, Council can continue, redesign, or stop the program. This action supports the SDG 12, response consumption and the production, and the SDG 40, life below the water. Concern is that reusable participation does not automatically reduce the visible letter. Therefore, direct letter count must be the main outcome. New South Wales program has measured letter change in hot spot and clean spot. This support local testing, but does not guarantee the same result as security. There are 4 coffee shops increased reusable cup participation during the 2024 trials. This shows the potential customer and outlet feasibility, but does not provide the letter reduction. Risks will be managed through the baseline, monthly audit, and 6 months review and final stop, redesign, or score decision. The program can tax whatever reduce the cleaning pressure, protect the high profile of harbor location, and support the City 2026 to 2035 waste strategy. Council should approve the program selected outlet using the local evidence and expand only of the letter profiles by at least 20% without creating unreasonable outlet workload. Otherwise, the program should be redesigned or stop it.